So what I'm going to show you is, I'm going to show you how to extract this CFL bulb, which if you notice is very damaged, and if I try to pull it, it's definitely going to break in my hand. And I'm going to show you how to pull it off without any efforts and safely. Alright, and again, once again I told you that the magic will be done by this paint can opener. So if you notice, there's a small hook over here which nicely fits into, if you notice, nicely fits into the base of the CFL bulb, right? And all you have to do is just give it a little tug and then it just comes out. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, as I said, all you have to do is just put a little, fit it in the base of the CFL and just give it a slight tug. Now what you want to make sure is that you're holding this can, otherwise the can itself will come out, right? Which is not a big deal, you can actually fix it, but here, see, that easy, there you go, no issues at all, no more problems, no more magic. Okay, thanks.